Hi everyone and welcome back. I am Marion, in charge of partnership here at World Agritech Summit. Today I am joined by Vaugh, the VP and Head of Plant Biotechnology at Biocrop Science. Ty, nice to see you. We are going to jump right in. So Bayer had just released its R&D annual pipeline for 2022. Can you share what you're working on right now and why this is important for the industry?
Yeah, thanks, Marion. This is a really exciting time for us every year because we get to talk about our pipeline. And what we usually talk about are advances in the pipeline of our new innovation, as well as things that are getting really close to coming to market. And so our platforms, we're up and running on several different platforms. We have our breeding platform, where we're making some great advances in our germplasm. We had over 500 advancements in our varieties and hybrids this year in vegetable and row crop. We had several traits that have moved through the pipeline and a couple that are getting very close to commercialization in both cotton and in corn and in soybean. And then we have always our crop protection with new modes of action, our biologics platform, and very exciting too is our digital platform where we're looking at some carbon initiatives in partnership with Bushel.
So Ty, you've been with the crop science team at Bayer for over 20 years. We're keen to know how Bayer is working to reliably and sustainably scale up production in alternative proteins. And how has the focus on this changed from when you first started?
Yeah, after 20 years, a lot has changed. The focus back then was really on biotech traits that would help farmers deal with stress in the environment. So weed pressure from weeds, as well as insect pressure that can limit productivity all the way around. Today, it's a lot different. We're still clearly working in that same area, but what we're really focused on is how we bring all of these technologies together so that growers have more precision and can actually access the crop at different times during the year with new inputs. And when it comes to protein, we do have a very big footprint and very scalable footprint in soybean. So when we think about plant-based proteins, soybean is here right now, and we can do work in that field. In fact, we actually have a partnership with Amphora, a company that's working in genome editing to increase the protein density in soybean. So a lot has changed. Clearly, consumer preferences have changed, and something that we're really keen to work on with other partners in this space.
Yeah, no, it's good to know. It's good to hear as well that the end consumer is also very taken into account there, because as you say, we all evolve as well. But so you'll be participating in a panel on scaling of protein transition, and we're really looking forward to seeing you face to face. But I guess just to conclude, what is your message to the industry?
Yeah, thanks for that too. So, we have a very daunting task in front of us. We have a growing population, and like you said, consumer preferences are changing. Growers are always going to have a part to play in this. Plants and protein go hand in hand. There are clearly other opportunities out there, but right now the near term is around plant protein production and how we scale that up. I think that the message to the industry is, we have to continue to find these partnerships, ways to work together. There is no silver bullet in this. We have to do it sustainably, we have to do it at scale, and we have to do it with changing diets around the world. I think dairy and meat and eggs are always going to be part of human diet somewhere in the world. And so we have to keep that in mind too. And so as we think about our production systems and how do we do this more sustainably, those are clearly efforts we need to work on, and there's new tools and innovation coming. But at the same time, these collaborations and partnerships that I think the World Agritech Summit really allows us to leverage our expertise in these areas and create partnerships. We have a LEAPS platform that helps us source these ideas and figure out where we can fit in and how do we work with others in the space. So I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be great to get into a live event again with a lot of people that have a shared interest in moving the space forward.
No, that's brilliant. Thank you so much for your time. I really look forward to being in the room and just being with everybody there. Thank you again for your time, and we'll see you in San Francisco.
Great. Thank you very much.